In today's video, I will walk you through how to add sunlight effects in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. I already have my image open here, and we're going to start by creating a new layer above the background layer. Go down to the Layers panel and click the plus icon to add that new layer. Once the new layer is created, add a gradient adjustment layer. This is what we'll use to build the sunlight effect. After adding the gradient, change the gradient style from linear to radial. That will help create a more natural light source that spreads outward like sunlight. Next, click on the gradient box to open the gradient editor. Inside the editor, go to the basic presets and choose the black to transparent gradient. Now we're going to customize the colors to create the sunlight look. Click below the gradient bar to add a new color stop. Then set its location to 10. Add another color stop and set that one to 30. Now double-click the first color stop and change the color to white. This will become the brightest part of the light. For the second color stop, choose a yellowish color to create the warm glow. Then select the third color stop and change it to a reddish or orange tone, depending on the style you want for the image. Keep the last color stop black. At the top of the black color stop, you'll see an opacity stop. Drag that opacity stop all the way to the left, so the effect fades more smoothly into the image. Then set its location to 75 to soften the outer edges of the light. Once everything looks good, click OK. Now, scale the gradient up slightly so the sunlight spreads more naturally across the photo. Then click OK again. After that, go to the Layers panel and change the blending mode from normal to screen. This is what blends the light effect into the image and gives it that glowing sunlight appearance. Next, click the gradient thumbnail again. You can now reposition the sunlight anywhere in the image by dragging it around until it looks right. You can also reopen the gradient settings anytime to adjust the colors or change the scale if you want a different lighting style. Once you're happy with the final result, click OK. And that's it. The sunlight effect has now been added to the photo. If you want to use the same effect on another image, copy it with Ctrl and C. Then open a new photo and paste it using Ctrl and V. After pasting, you can move the effect around, resize it, or adjust the colors so it fits the lighting and composition of the new image. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.